So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the shaky video on Premiere Pro easily. That means how you can add a gimbal like stabilization on Premiere Pro. Now, in order to do it, just simply first of all click on the window and make sure the effects has been selected. Now you can find the effects panel right there. Click on effects panel, and here in the video effects, or what you can do is to just simply search for warp stabilizer. You can see it's right there. Now just simply drag and drop to the video clip that you want to stabilize, and it has started analyzing the clip. Here you can see it is starting the analyzing the clip frame by frame. Now once the analyzation is done, it will automatically stabilize the clip. You don't need to do anything. You can just simply tweak the values as well, like if you want the smoothness to be 50% or any other values. I would recommend you to select it to 50% and you are good to go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.